Peace, family. This is Miguel Thornton, aka the Flawless Wholesaler with Veal Grover Asset Management. And we're here at the location of 14548 Duane Road in New Orleans East. And I'm looking at this property. It's a single family home. We have an appointment today showing with the agent, Mr. Allen, I believe his name is, and he's going to show us this property. We want to go in the inside, but right now we're in the backyard, and we're just documenting, as we always do, particular property in the backyard. There's a nice tree. I'm not sure if it's maple or what, but the deal itself, the property itself, is a 3-bed, 3-bed, 1 bath. And so, of course, we want to drive appreciation up when we purchase. The building itself is solid. The roof looks in good condition. This property's been on the market for 200 and something days. And so we want to come in and capitalize on this deal. On the inside, we can see some of what it looks like. But yes, as always, there's several different exit strategies that we can use with the property, such as this. With us, it's our interest to move forward, get us some actual properties in our inventory for the purpose of renting, buying and holding. That's what we're looking to do. We want to buy and hold. And the deals that we can't buy and hold, we of course are gonna sell those deals, whether it be flipping the actual contract or flipping the paper itself. Flipping the contract or flipping the property. Anyway, gonna redo another video. Peace.